Hello, boss. We are OEM and ODM Kiosk whole machine assembly manufacturer in China. Today, we are introduced our project is book return machine for our city laboratory. We can see this is a book return machine, and it's like a smaller laboratory. The book can be inside. People can rent the book and return the book through this smaller laboratory. You can see there 1, 2, 3, and 4 screens. That means the people can be returned the book through 1, 2, 3, the 3 faces. They can easily get the book and return the book. We can see we have another book return machine assembly. Now the client engineer is adjust the software of the laboratory book return machine. We are doing the OEM and ODM for the whole machine assembly, and the software and the design is belong to the client. So the client engineer is adjust the software for the smaller book return machine for the smaller laboratory. We can see the detail inside. All the touch monitor, the metal cabinet, and all the inside, we assemble it, okay? We harness it. The touch display with fan, it is for high brightness because it is outdoor application, okay? The fan can decrease the temperature of the touch display. And the card dispenser, the channel, the computer, yeah, it's very complicated application. Yeah, you can see our work colleagues is assembly here. Yeah, we are assembling the machine. This one we are starting assembly inside. You can see our colleagues is inside the cabinet. Are you looking for the reliable OEM and ODM machine manufacturer in China? Did you want to find a one-stop solution provider in China? Contact us. We have electronic engineer, hardware engineer, structure engineer. We can do the design for you, and also we can help you realize your design. Okay? Thank you.